This video tutorial will show us how to correctly remove the electrospindle from the box and how to store it properly.
When you open the box, you will find the smart instructions in 6 language,
with an explanation of how to remove the spindle, how to position it and correctly secure it, and how to pneumatically connect it. We would advise you to keep the wooden box, foam padding, and VCI bag, which the spindle came in, as they may come in useful in the future. You will also find a folder with the spindle documents. More precisely, the test certificate, declaration of incorporation, correct storage and break-in instructions and explanations on how to maintain and install it. Lastly, there is a CD with the instructions manual on maintain the electrospindle you have purchased. We recommend using specific hook to lift the electrospindle, which can be provided on request. Otherwise, it has to be lifted by hand. This work needs to be done carefully by 2 technicians. Avoid collisions that could compromise the correct operation of the product. The spindle needs to be positioned properly on a flat table. Do not rest it on its nose or fan cover. There is a label on the electrical box lid with the electrospindle's technical data. There is a label next to the pneumatic fitting showing the pneumatic connection layout. And on the side there is a serial number stamped on the aluminum unit, which should be communicated every time you contract our after-sales assistance. Always read the instructions manual in the CD provided for further information.